In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip a TradingView chart upside down. Whether you're analyzing trends or just experimenting with different perspectives, flipping your chart can provide new insights. Let's dive right into it. First, let's talk about the quickest way to invert your chart. It involves using a simple keyboard shortcut. If you're using a Windows or Linux system, you'll want to press Alt and I at the same time. For those on a Mac, it's Option and I together. This combination of keys will instantly flip or restore the price scale of your chart. It's incredibly handy for anyone who wants a quick way to experiment with different visual perspectives. Remember that this shortcut acts as a toggle. Every time you press it, your chart will switch between the normal view and the inverted one. Now, let's explore how to achieve the same effect using the context menu. This method is particularly useful if shortcuts aren't your thing, or if you prefer navigating with a mouse. Simply right-click on the price scale, which is the right-hand vertical axis of your chart. Doing so will bring up a context menu with several options. One of these options is Invert Scale. Click on it, and your chart will be flipped. If you want to switch it back, just repeat this process and select Invert Scale again. It's a user-friendly way to control your chart's orientation without having to remember any shortcuts. Additionally, there's another method using TradingView's settings for those who like to customize their layout in more detail. Start by clicking on the small gear or settings icon located in the vicinity of the price scale. This action will open a menu with different settings categories. From here, you should navigate to the Scales tab, where you'll find an option labeled Invert Scale. You can toggle this option on or off depending on your preference. This method is particularly beneficial if you're already in the process of adjusting other chart settings or if you're preparing a specific layout for your analysis. In summation, flipping your TradingView chart upside down is a straightforward task that can be achieved in several ways. Whether you prefer to use keyboard shortcuts or navigate through menus, TradingView provides flexible options to suit every user. This feature not only adds a new dimension to your analysis, but also helps in identifying trends that might not be immediately obvious. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how it can enhance your trading strategy. Thanks for watching, and feel free to ask any questions you might have in the comments below. Happy trading!